Hi there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies, and today's video is about a conversation I had with my friend Mark, who was on vacation in Lisbon, in Portugal, and he was recounting how how it is when you travel, you meet a lot of new people, and it's hard to remember them all. And what he said was the people who did just one thing, I'm an accountant, I do ecstatic dance, I'm a yoga teacher, he always remembered what they did. But the people who did a bunch of things, well, I do some yoga, I do some macro, I also have a marketing business, and then I'm into crypto, or whatever the list is they gave, he couldn't remember any of it. When they did one thing, he could remember. When they listed a bunch of things, he couldn't remember even one. He remembered zero. He'd see them next time and say, I just have no idea what you told me you did. So that's it's just a great example of how niching works. Niching fundamentally is about what you're known for. It's about your reputation. You're going to, if you're extremely lucky, get to be known for one thing, and that's it. If you try to be known for a lot of things, you end up being remembered for none of them at all. So that's my video for today. Hopefully that's useful. Thanks for popping by.